March 3, 2023. Wynn Macau to issue $600 million in convertible bonds. Wynn Macau announced today, Friday, a plan to issue $600 million (4.85 billion Macau patakas) worth of convertible bonds due in 2029 to professional investors. The gaming company estimated net proceeds from the bonds at approximately $586 million upon deduction of commissions and other related expenses. Wynn said that it intended to use the proceeds for general corporate purposes. The bonds are convertible into shares at an initial price of HK$10.24 per share, representing a premium of 26.8% over the last closing price of HK$8.08 per share, as quoted on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange on March 2, 2023. The bonds will also turn into approximately 459,774,985 shares, representing 8.8% of the total issued share capital of the company as of March 3. This is another savvy financial maneuver by Wynn to shore up the balance sheet in Macau, which will essentially provide up to $600 million of new liquidity for Wynn Macau. That could potentially be used to repay the $600 million of 4.875% notes due in 2024, CBRE Securities, LLC noted in its equity research. This would effectively reduce annual interest expense and kick out the maturity 5 years in exchange for a potential equity issuance up 40%, analysts John Decree and Max Marsh said in the report. Meanwhile, JP Morgan analysts DS Kim and Mufan Shi expressed in a note that the convert premium and 2029 maturity should provide enough buffer, and the convertible bonds do seem like an economical way to beef up the balance sheet. In addition, Wynn Macau reports its preliminary first quarter results in the stock filing sent to the Hong Kong Exchange, indicating that the company has seen an increasing number of guests to their properties after COVID-related restrictions were scrapped in the past 2 months, with particular strength during the recent Chinese New Year holiday period. Business volumes following the Chinese New Year have also remained strong, with the drop in mass market tables recovering to 82% of the corresponding 2019 period, and direct VIP turnover being 20% above 2019 levels. It was also said that non-gaming business also remains similarly strong, with tenant retail sales up 78% from the corresponding period in 2019. The total operating revenues of Macau operations are expected to be in the range of $391 million to $395 million for the 2-month period ending February 28, 2023, compared to $225.1 million in the same period last year. Adjusted property EBITDA, meanwhile, is expected to lie somewhere between $94 million and $98 million for the first 2 months of the year, compared to $4.5 million in the same period last year. Thank you for listening. This news is brought to you by mpluslivetv and Macau News Agency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook.